Come check out this wonderful open house, 10314 West Royal Palm Road in Peoria, Arizona. On the market for 3 days. You'll be the first to see it. Let's walk into these double entry doors with security as well for that added sense of protection and helping you move into the large furniture. Large floor tile without. Look at that fireplace. It is amazing. Let's check out the kitchen with the flat cooktop, and then we have all stainless steel appliances with a double range oven. And then let's leave the laundry area, going back into the main living area. There's that feature wall. Wow. Back into this converted Arizona room with entrances from the main living, main room, kitchen, and outside. Turn it into anything you want. Check out that feature wall one more time. Now down the hallway to the first bedroom. This bedroom has plantation shutters for that extra dark. And into the bathroom here. Jet tub for those hard days at work. Into the master bedroom. Dragon wall. What can I say? Check out the closet. This closet has storage everywhere. Out of the closet we go into the main bathroom that has been remodeled with a wonderful step-in shower. Look at that thing. Let's check out this oasis of a backyard. Artificial turf in the front and back for low maintenance and easy upkeep. And then we have a few trees. One of them is a fruit tree. I believe it's a lemon tree, but I'm not 100%. You'll have to see for yourself. And then check out this RV parking with that nice brickwork. Come see me, Clyde Gregory with Revinre, and check this out.